Hi everyone, I got this mini chainsaw as a gift. Let's open it, show you everything that you get, and then show it to you in action. You get one 5 amp-hour battery, a charger, a user manual, 3 extra chains, set of gloves, a chainsaw, and a tube for the oil. Get an extra track, a 6-inch. So this one can be used on 6 or 8-inch. The 8-inch one is already pre-installed, but you can switch it to 6 if you want to. Let's add some oil into this thing and then put a battery, and it'll show you what it does. Let's install this battery. You get this hand guard to protect your knuckles from hitting stuff when you're cutting. And I really like that you get this chain guard, so when you put this back, when you're done using it, to protect chain or your hands from accidentally hitting it. So you get this hand strap, and on the battery there's a button to check the battery charge status, and it has a safety. You have to press this on one side, on the other side, doesn't matter which one, for the trigger to work. Let's try to cut something. Cuts like butter. If you're looking for a portable and powerful compact chainsaw, you should definitely take a look at this. Real nice one. Definitely recommend this.